Now for the last focus, we have the statement of financial position. Okay, so we're done with profit or loss statement. So we have now uh, concepts and the preparation of statement of financial position. Okay, so for the description, let me edit this one again. So for statement of financial position, it is a statement or report that provides information about the financial position of an entity, showing balances of each account or line item of assets, liabilities, and equity or capital accounts as of the current period of reporting. Okay, so the scope or and components, okay, adjusted balances, okay, as of the current period, the balances or the line item of assets, liability, and equity. The forms of presentation, okay, we have it report form or account form. Okay, for the report form, the asset, liability, and equity accounts are presented in a downward sequence, showing first the assets, followed by the liabilities, then last by the equity accounts. Then for the account form, we have it's like following the rule of the basic accounting equation or the rule of debit and credit, okay, on which assets are presented on the left side and the liabilities and equity on the right side. To illustrate, we have yung report form like that, okay, 3-layer square or 3-layer presentation, but for the account form we have the 3 sections. Okay, so on the left side we have the assets and the right side liabilities and equity for the account form, but for the report form, assets on top, liabilities in the middle, then equity on uh, the bottom part. Okay, so this is an example of the report form of preparation of statement of financial position. Okay, so first showing the assets classified to current and non-current, then we have the total assets. Then for liabilities and shareholders equity, okay, there is a actually the company uh, has the choice to present liabilities and shareholders equity in one combined portion. Okay, so liabilities and shareholders equity, okay, then liabilities classified to current and non-current, then the bottom part, the shareholders equity accounts, the total of the total liabilities and shareholders equity should be balanced with the total assets. Okay, so, okay, that's an example, okay, of an financial position with amounts. Okay, so the balance of the total assets is 1,650,000. It should be in thousands. So 1,650 times 1,000 is 1,650,000. Then for total liabilities and the shareholders equity, it should also be 1,650,000. Then for the account form, okay, on the left side we have the current assets and the non-current assets showing the total assets. Then for the left side we have the current liabilities, non-current liabilities, and the shareholders equity accounts, okay, showing total of the liabilities and shareholders equity. So this is an example, okay, of statement of financial position with amounts. Okay, so it's again in thousands. So the total assets and the total liabilities and equity or shareholders equity should be the same at 1,650,000. Okay, so that's it. That's all for our discussion for past one. Okay, so for our past one. So I hope you have learned something in this discussion. So that's all. Thank you. Have a good day.